All right, guys, so we got this beautiful 2019 C63S. It's not a C63 regular, so it got the modified wheel inside. Most of the people, they put it from Amazon, but this thing comes with it by factory. So that's our one of the elite client here. They are here for a mandatory A6 services on C63S, which includes your all fluid levels, oil change, all of the filters change, and a couple other 36-point inspection included in that one. So if you guys do have the C63s or E63s, we specialize with this. Also, this car have a shaking while the customer was on red lights. They feel a bit of shake in the car. So we're going to scan it and check it out, what's happening with it. If you want the authentic services for the C63s, any years, any make and models, give us a call. We're happy to help you out. Right now, we are packed up with the 4 Mercedes. So C63s right here. We got the CLA 250 right there, and we got the C350 outside waiting for the customer to pick it up. That was a alloy wheel damage on that one. We repaired the alloy wheels too. If you have a rim cracks, give us a call. We'll give you the code. Also, there's a fourth one inside. That's a GLC 300 for the mandatory all formatic service. We offer a formatic services in a better price, all inclusive Mercedes fluids. So that's what for the Mercedes. If you guys do have any of the similar cars, feel free to book your appointment. On to the next car. So let me tell you why customer choose Mrik Auto. That's a 2026 RAV4 hybrid and very first service only at Mrik Auto. This came in for very first safety on it. The customer eventually just picked it this morning straight to Mrik Auto. So if you guys looking for a Uber safety, Lyft safety, any of the safety done on your car, or you will need to get the plates, give us a call. We're happy to help you out. We book your appointments and work that way. And the other thing is we also offer customer a 2-year service on this plan. What that plan is, we are going to disclose it soon. If you want to hear it, keep watching our videos and you'll see we are coming up with specifically Toyota, a 2 years of service plan you can choose from. For more update, watch our videos. On to the next car. We got the right example right here. So this customer, they came almost a year ago to us. We are doing the oil changes. I think we did 3 of the oil changes on this one. Right now, this car got a problem with the automatic transmission. So when they're putting it in reverse, it doesn't work. So I asked the customer what last time they did the 20 oil on this one. They told me like it's 120. That's what they did it. So this car is 2019 Dodge Caravan with only 170 clicks. Transmission failed. Why? Because the customer, they got changed from random place. They don't know that, what kind of oil they use it inside. So 170 with 3 oil changes duration for 170 periods. Failure, it's not possible. Because we do have a current more than 100 customer driving this beautiful commercial van. They have no problems. They're running somewhere around 200 plus clicks. Some have 300 plus clicks. So if you changing the oil on your Caravan, make sure you're gonna use the right ADF4 fluid with a Mopar. Do not go with any other brand. I mean any other. So this car specifically from 2010 to 2020, 10 years, same transmission. You're not supposed to put any other fluid or you're gonna be suffering like this customer. They're paying close to 4 grand because they want a brand new rebuild transmission on this one. That's what we're gonna do. If you want something similar on your car, if you're hearing any of the jerks while, because this is bad with the reversing. So if you have anything similar on your Dodge Journeys or Dodge Caravan, they have the same transmission, give us a call. We have a large inventory for the transmissions. You can give us your budget. We'll quote you accordingly, because if you want a used one, we have a variety of the used ones in stock. Any of the trendy services, give us a call. On to the next car. So the common failure on 2018, 2017, 2019 Wrangler 3.6, let me tell you. So not every time your gearbox broke down. This is equipped with a water pump. It's a power steering pump. So this thing we replaced in probably last month. It was under warranty, so the customer already paid for it. That thing got broke down. So we are going to change it under warranty. We're not going to charge a penny to the customer. That's the new part. The older one we already returned it. It's going to be ready today. If you guys do have the similar services, you're steering got rough on the Jeeps, give us a call. We're happy to help you out. Also, we did a bunch of things on this one. We did the tune-up on this one before. We put the steering dampeners last year. Also, if you guys remember from last year, this Jeep was here for the rear axle. So we changed the complete axle in the back because it was too late for the fluid flush, and the axle started giving it jerks on the reverse and the front forward. So we changed the rear axle on this one. We did a bunch of stuff on this Jeep from last 3 years. If you guys do want any of the services done, front end suspension on the Jeep, feel free to give us a call. We're happy to help you out. On to the next car. All right, so we got this beautiful 88 S10 back. So somebody want to steal something, or they want to steal the vehicle, we don't know. Everything is ripped apart from the front dash, and they tried to take off the stereo too on this one. And there's a couple more scratches on the other side, the key fobs. So we're going to change the entire steering wheel assembly on this side, because they got a couple of blade marks on that. Also, the customer, they want to change all the locks on it, because they're not sure like it was locked or unlocked. So we're going to change all the locks, both doors in the back. And we're going to put the brand new steering wheel on this one. This is the OEM one, but the one we are going to put, this is a fancy one, aftermarket. So that's two jobs we're going to do. And there's a other couple of things. There's a belt noise coming in from the front, because this thing was sit down for long. So front belt tensioner, we're going to see what's happening with it. Stay tuned with us. If you guys do have the similar stuff, you want to get it fixed, you know Mrik Auto. On to the next car. So right beside me, we got this beautiful 2011 X135 inline six. It's here with the front headlights out. It's common on the BMWs. So both of the low beam lights are now working in the front. Also, we're going to do a couple of fluid change on this one. This customer, they just see our reference, so they want to get it fixed. We're going to do the oil change with the liquid moly on this one. Also, we're going to fix the lights. As you can see, there's low beam light on this side, that side. They're out. The rings are only working. The most common problem on the BMWs, they have the module underneath the light panel, and they got corroded from inside. Get it fixed. You know where to come. Only Mrik Auto. Also, we're going to inform they need to change the rear def oil on this one. That's a rear wheel drive. So if you guys have a similar inquiries for the BMWs, we work on all make and model on the BMW. If you can see this. So we got this one, and this is, we're going to talk about the next video, what exactly we're doing with this beautiful 2012 X3. We got two more BMW outside sitting out. If you want your BMW got fixed by Mrik Auto, do not forget, call us or book your appointment. Thanks for watching the video.